Sawubona Pratibza.
88,000.
Ngiyaphila Hotman lami. Hotman lami ngicela ungitshele ukuthi namhlanje ke wenza i-tournament, ngicela usixelele kabanzi ngayo ukuthi igama le tournament yakho ibizwa ngantoni, iqale nini, izophela nini?
Igama lami nguTewu Mkwena, former professional player. Play for Cosmos, play for Sundowns, play for Vets, play for Wheatbank Aces. I've retired 2010. So I've decided to go to a tournament, especially kasi. There's a need for Indwana to nami ukuthi manje ngi whatever skills enginaso then ngisinikeza abafana abancane. Yeah, today Tewu Mkwena Sports and Development Foundation iqale izolo, and we have unders, let's say under 11, we have under 13 and under 15, under 17 until under 23. So I've decided because we need to siqale la phansi, so decide ukuthi manje dile ngama youth, then ama first team wona nje hayi futhi ngathi okay.
Yeah, uthe ufuna nje lezi zasencane. Yeah.
La ukuthi manje ila development icala khona.
Yeah, and siyabona abantu vele bayakhala mababukele iPSL yethu bakhalwa nge-lack of development. Siyabulela ukuthi nawe ke wena uvele zangu awucomplain mara when you're doing the act siyabonga kakhulu.
Njalo because nathi sibuya khona, you understand. Siqale sibancane, then we futhi manje the but emphasize ukuthi thina sibancane we have to ukuthi manje standard this thing, forgetting ukuthi manje the education phakathi, you understand, because zihambelana lezi zinto lezi, you understand. Uyafunda ngapha ibholweni ngapha yonke lenyakanyaka, so nathi sifundisana labafana laba abancane ukuthi hey you guys not ukuthi sophumelela sonke, you understand. Khona abanye bazophumela, khona abanye bangeke baphumele, so but to help your healthy
Wise.
Life, so you need ukuthi manje you exercise, you understand. Lokho izinto lezi sabafundisa labafana laba, but so far so good.
Njengoba kule tournament yakho kunale tournament yakho butwami, ngicela ukwazi ukuthi mhlambe ama prizes, let's say iwina ifumana ijezi, itrophy nani, and i-tournament izophela nini?
All the divisions bathola amajezi laba baya ku final. Immediately to qualify for final, we qualify for jezi. And kuna ama trophies, ama medals, first and second prize.
I-tournament iphela nini?
So i-tournament yona iphela nge-26, but there's a slightly thing to young disturb kakhulu ukuthi manje there's a derby or something, I don't know ukuthi manje.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So
yeah,
I don't want ukuthi manje siye stadium ukuthi kune derby phela. We supporting that.
Yeah.
Even though we support abafana, but we are supporting out there.
Yeah.
We've been there. We have to support. You understand? So there's a slightly ingaphela nge-27 the holiday.
okay.
You understand? But asika deciding the stuff some.
Oh right, hayi ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu ke. So njengoba kulama club ama club wonke abuya ngapha eKatorasi or amanye khona abuya outside mhlambe eKatorasi like boma Boksburg mhlambe or Germiston or awala ekasi kuphela nje ama club participate kulama division?
Abuya la eKatorasi esikude. Katorasi ababuya Sprite, Sky City, you understand, around Katorasi. Asikatholi team, probably maybe buya bo Masbukeng or Soweto, you understand, kwamanje. Yabona, because it's a point system, and you need ama teams are around, because bayeza like I mean, but they don't spend money. So if we hlala kude, we have to spend money to come this side, you understand. Let's say uzakai let's say a weekend, you understand. Transport in or maybe the accommodation ngapha sitholanga, you understand? Those are our challenges to it. Hence si prefer mostly ama team ngapha. Unless if when you don't have a problem ukuthi financially or right when high ungakhona ukutravel then high we don't have a problem.
All right.
Yeah, but mostly
ama team wangapha eKasi.
Yeah.
And ama local support when it comes to community support kukhona abantu mhlawumbe abaku-assistayo you are working with abama members omphakathi mhlawumbe abathi hayi siyakuxhasa nathi, or mhlawumbe you are still looking for other sponsors ukuthi improve i-tournament. Along those lines nje kukhona abantu osebenzisana nabo kwama sponsors we-tournament or uzenzela out of your own pocket mhlawumbe?
Nokwamanje ngisadila nge-sponsor i-sponsor which is hot slot. Even you can see ibhaliwe lana hot slot. Yibo bazamile ukuthi manje bangichaze nyana ukuthi manje nathi ngiphumelelise le tournament yami. The other sponsor is Hot Station, which is a garage yakakana.
Okay.
So those are two sponsors that are helping me to ukuthi ngiphumelele ukuthi nami
host
the tournament. Yes.
And then because nabantu ke abazali ungathini kubazali because lento le oyenzayo uyenzela i-future of abantwana babo, so ngicela ukukhuthaze abazali ukuthi basupport abantwana babo abadlala ibhola. As you can see ukuthi baninzi abantwana balapha bazodlala but i-support abazali abekho.
It's so embarrassing anyway indaba yabazali to support their kids. You understand? We are struggling a lot kakhulu hayi kancane. You understand? I know ukuthi abazali banezinto zabo, but somehow 2 or 3 days inyana just to spend ilanga nomntwana wakho, it's very important to emntwaneni. You understand? And even improve na yourself, abona umzali wakhe or abona abazali beza bazo support that thing leyo umntwana. It's into enye enza ukuthi umntwana akhuthale kuleso sport asiyenzayo. You understand? So but now you find out ukuthi it's only the coaches bezayo, then the parents abekho, and especially bonsunyana you understand? Please ngiyacela kubazali utazi even umntwana wakho know ukuthi umntwana wakho wenzani, and please try to support your kids, because at the end of the day sometimes nokuthi ngombona umntwana wakho ukuthi kangakanani akazi ukuthi ini kani ubuza ama question kawo.
Omunye uzasekathi umntana mnidla imali yabantwana bethu asekatshela ucoach and akazi nokuthi lo mntana ugcoka size bani.
And funny enough they supporting ama coaches ne by ukuthi manje bafake nyana umntwana phela ngithi uyadlala bafake nyana, but it doesn't mean ukuthi manje mama supporter financially then ama coaches ukuthi wena self personal you have to be there. To support your kids. So that thing is omnikeza that thing ukuthi akhuthale whatever yenzayo.
So plans for tournament ke sesiyayivala. This is my last question. What's your plan about this tournament or these games wakho mhlawumbe in 5 years time uwisho ukuthi kwenzakaleni akhule kangakanani bese ku first team also include namanye nama netball and other sports mhlawumbe?
Okay. Lezo I've been running this tournament since from 2015. You understand? It's over 10 years now. So I've been running netball, soccer ladies, even chess, even volleyball. You understand? Those things ziyenza ukuthi manje at least singakhethi sport esiwani. They are saying, hey, why soccer always? Soccer always. We need some of the sporting code, which is ziyenzeka lana kule foundation. You understand? And I'm glad ukuthi ngiyakhona ukuxoxa abantwana ukuthi manje at least babe endaweni eyi1 then kube mnandi sijabulise. Even can see now there's lot. Even yesterday it was fully packed. And our advantage is we have 5 grounds like and kuya phambili then we'll end up go Thokoza Stadium sidlala ama semi-finals and finals.
Oh, i-final izodlalela eThokoza Stadium.
Yeah, idlalela eThokoza Stadium.
Alright. Oh, ayithokoza ukuthi iThokoza Stadium sekuyindawo yama-final.
Njalo.
Yeah. So ngicela kancane ukubuyela back ungikhumbuze uthe konje iwina ye the whole tournament, is it a point system or knockout okwano?
No, it's a point system, and the winning prize is is 16 division, 16 top 16.
Yeah.
Yes, so if it's top 16, obviously kuma 23. There's prizes there.
Yeah.
17, there's prizes there. Then 15, 13, and 11. Ama jersey, nama medals, you understand. But we are including ama medals kuma 17 and 23 and nama cups in the corner.
Alright, sibonge kakhulu ke Grootman Dame. Siyabulela kakhulu, danke.
Thank you, kubulela mina mfowethu.
Sharp.
Sure.